You asked and we listened. iBaby is now bringing you a wall mount kit for your iBaby monitor M6 and M6T. The kit comes with a monitor base, 2 different brackets, and a screw set. For crib or table installation, use bracket A. Simply slide the magnetic plate into the wall mount's base and push it down until you hear a click. You will also hear a click when you attach the bracket to the wall mount base. Finally, fasten it with the screw. Your wall mount is now ready for your iBaby monitor. For wall installation, you will need bracket B. Use the screws and anchors provided to attach the bracket to the wall. Now, just hang the base with the magnetic plate and put your iBaby in.